we are going to see JUDO with the 12 lines. As you can see, the first one is not that long, goes a bit upright, and it's a close angle that you can see. So 45 degrees, get upright, close the angle, and I come back in the middle with some pressure. Once again, 45 degrees, I go up, I close, and I come back with still some strength. Once again, the ink is a bit, okay, go up, I close, and I come back slowly with some pressure. Up, close, come back. We can also change the thickness of the line according to how much thick you want to have your character. So this is not that bad, it's the last one. Yeah, we all have to train a bit more. So that's the first one. The second one is just a dot. From up the brush, I go up and I close it also. I put the brush, I go a bit down and I close it. Put, close, put, go down, close, go down, close. There, it will be with the first one together. The third one is very similar from the first one, but a bit longer. And get a bit higher, close, and I come back. The first one you go fast until the middle, but here you only come a little bit, around 1/3. Go up, close, and come back. Up, close, coming. So the fourth one is quite technical. I will show you a little bit bigger as the example. So 45 degrees when you came in, and you go down very straightly, and then go a little bit left side and right up. When you put all the brush together, it's a little bit turning, and under you have so a small angle. And once again, brush, go down, left, and go up very slowly. When you go straight, the angle is on the way when go a little bit left and then go up. Down, left, and go up. You don't have to show too much because it's casual style, but still you have to show that you are going for the next line. Here we go. So the last one under is the good example. If you cannot do it directly, it's like in judo, we don't really have to be able to do everything the first time we were doing it. So just repeat it and correct it. If you want to be corrected, I will be very happy if you show me what you do and I can correct it. So the next one, the fifth one, is diagonal left. It's important to keep some pressure, even if you go little bit by little the brush up, have to be still light only at the end. The rest of the time, keep some pressure. Keep pressure. Oh my God. So head, down, left. And here we go. Avoid to have too much curve. Try to have more straight line like the last one. And it's only at the end that you goes up. Goes down. Yeah, exaggerate the movement, but just to show you. So let's go for the sixth one. The first is one part, and here is the second part with this long line. This horizontal line, we could show it in two parts. One part gives bit up, right up, and the second part from the line it's more straight. And of course I start 45 and I close 45 degrees. Here is a little bit exaggerate to go up and then straight. We do like that because this line is a lot longer. In general, it's a rule in Japanese calligraphy. So here you can see going up straight and flat. The last one is, we cannot really see this going up and flat. It just has to look in one line. It's not stopping, it's not showing that it's two parts, it's only for the explanation. So that was for the sixth one. Not that hard. So the seventh one. The seventh is quite similar at the fourth one, but at the first you get some, you show that you get to the next one, and here you don't because it's a casual style. Avoid too much that you're going to the next. So go straight and close it. -45 as is quite a strong ending, you can show that it's a bit stronger. It's not that bad, it's not that straight, only at the bottom it's a little bit thicker. It's okay. Okay, what is quite important is to have a very straight line, which is not always that easy. The eighth one is nearly the same as the fifth one, so we don't see it because the last one is much more difficult. The ninth one is also, we can separate it in two parts. So I'll show you first. One part fine and one when you lift the brush. 1, 2, kind of two parts. This is quite technical. Here you need an angle which is in the middle of the brush, kind of the belly brush, and the tip over, just the point goes up line. I go down slowly, I press, and here I press completely with the belly of the brush, and I put the brush slowly up, and the point, I follow the point right away. I go quite slowly. It's an angle under and over is nearly flat. And then direction the point, follow, goes down strongly and slowly. I go really with with a little bit of the brush, and slowly progressively I will have a lot of pressure with the whole brush. And when I go up, I try to always keep the point direction. So press and go right. It's a lot of different examples, but it's just for the technique. Here we go. That was the last one. It's quite hard. This one a bit too thick. The first one or the last one are quite similar for JUDO. So now you have all the line. Try to do it separately, and just for the next video we are going to see how to make it together. See you!